I'm going to introduce the Catalyst proving business model for network slicing for mobile gaming. What is sponsored data? Just a question. Sponsored data means that we're going to offer data for the end user. Free for the end user, not free for the brand. The brands that we call sponsor. During the previous years, we have already demonstrated different sponsored data experiences, such as e-commerce application, such as location-based sponsor data in a shopping mall. Today, we think that it exists a huge opportunity to sponsor data for the mobile gaming.
So, the sponsored data as a collaborative platform, and like Christophe mentioned, we are going to be talking about mobile gaming and how a brand like mobile gaming can create an end-to-end experience. So we have brought in a set of capabilities end-to-end, starting from how a gaming company can onboard their portfolio of games into the sponsored data exchange, and how they can create application-specific network slices based on their requirements to guarantee the experience what it would be needed for these games. And we've also brought in more of intelligent gamer onboarding, more of AI and machine learning driven targeting for gamers to be onboarded based on the brand's needs. And again, bringing up insights back to these gaming brands on what's happening with the network experience of the gamers and how happy they are in terms of customer experience index is what we are leveraging. And again, a usage of AI and machine learning effectively for brands like mobile gaming. And we also cover the end-to-end settlement part of it, a multi-party settlement for settlement between the gaming service providers and also the service providers, the telecom service providers. So in summary, what we try to solve as the main key issues for the gaming industry is more of how do they acquire new gamers, and how do we incentivize for the gamers to play these games longer, and how to create the guaranteed experience that the gaming service providers wants to be creating it. And how are we doing this is with the branded slices or more of application aware network slices, which can guarantee the experience for the gamers as such. So the branded slices and the visibility that create to the brands and end-to-end onboarding to settlement as a blueprint powers this phase of the Catalyst, and we have brought in this and also modeled the business what it could create around it, which we'll have a look at it. So it's more of mobile gaming is a huge industry, as we know, and it's about 450 billion spendings that go into this industry, and more than 380 billion games are worth of games are being downloaded, and more than 10 billion games in units that get downloaded as well. And service providers like our champion Orange sees it's more of 5 billion is to be made in this market, say specific to LATAM, MEA and APAC is a potential market what mobile gaming could lead into. So that's about the Catalyst, and we have used extensively end-to-end APIs wherever possible, open APIs wherever possible, and this is coming together as a platform and a blueprint for proving the business model for sponsored network slices. Thank you.
Thank you.